Hello guys, I'm Gayatri from IT department. Here I'm going to explain the topic about introduction to A-star search algorithm. A-star search is a powerful and informed algorithm used for the graph transfer and plan pathfinding probably applied in the artificial intelligence. It efficiently merges the benefits of algorithm, which governs the shortest path with the efficiency of greedy based first search. The hybrid approach enables A stars to find the most optimal path from nesting node to a target node, making it a favored choice in various applications such as game development and robotics. Algorithm overview. Yeah, the A-star search algorithm is designed to find the shortest path in a weighted graph by the evaluating nodes by a cost functions. It combines actual cost to the node and estimate the cost to the goal, ensuring the optimally through what is known as optimal heuristic definitions. A-star algorithm identifies the shortest path using f of n equal to g of n plus h of n components. Utilize G of n cost to the node and h of n for estimate cost to the goals. Heuristic functions h of n must be admissible to ensure A star automatically. How A star works. A star algorithm is a popular path-finding method used in various applications, including games and robotics. It efficiently finds the shortest path from a starting point to a goal by evaluating the nodes based on their total cost, incorporating both known and heuristic values. First, initialization, node evolutions, updating cost, and goal check. First, in installation, start with an open list, connecting the starting node evaluated by f of n. Second, node evolution. Select the node with the lowest f of n and check its neighbors. Updating cost. Calculate g and h values for the neighbors, updating if the lower than previous. Goal check. Upon researching the goal, reconstruct the path by backtracking. Next, applications of A-star algorithm. Navigation system, game development, robotics, network routing. Navigation systems. A-star is extensively used in GPS and mapping software to provide the optimal driving directions and route planning. Game development. A-star serves as a fundamental algorithm in AI for NPC platforming, enabling characteristics to navigate complex terrain intellectually. Robotics. In robotics, A star helps in obstacle avoidance and planning efficient routes for robots to reach their destinations automatically. Network routing. The algorithm is also applicable in optimizing the data path routing in various network structures to minimize the delays. Performance of A-star algorithm. Time complexity, space complexity, heuristic impact. Time complexity. A-star has time complexity of O V into T in a worst case. Space complexity. Space complexity is also a O of B into D since all generated nodes are stored. Heuristic impact. A well-designed heuristic can significantly reduce the search space and time. Variant of A star search. First, weighted A star. Modify f of n to include a weight factor, reducing speed. Dynamic A star. Adjust path in real time for dynamic graphs. Bidirectional A star. Run simultaneous searches from start and goal to meet in the middle. Advantages of A star. Optimicity. A star guidance the shortest possible path if the heuristic is admissible. Flexibility. A star can be adapted with various heuristics for specific problems. Efficiency. A star balance exploration and exploitations, leading to quicker solutions. Conclusion. A star is a powerful algorithm fundamental to the numerous fields from the games to robotics by leveraging both the actual path cost and estimate the future cost. It efficiently finds the optimal path while remaining flexible and adaptable for various applications in AI and beyond. Powerful algorithm, optimal fine pathing, flexible applications. A-star is a fundamentals to the numerous fields, efficiently finds the optimal path, leveraging costs, adaptable for the various applications in AI and beyond. Thank you.